Mary Ellen, how are you?
Good, Richard. How are you?
It's my pleasure to be here.
Thank you.
Beautiful house.
Thank you.
Now, you sent me an email and you said you're in the middle of a bathroom remodel.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why am I here?
Well, I'll tell you. We're remodeling the bathroom and really just got back from Europe and saw bidets. Used bidets, loved bidets.
Yeah.
And I'm just wondering if that would be a possibility here.
So you're in the middle of it right now. I didn't
Yes.
come a minute too soon.
You
Let's see
did.
what you got.
All right. Okay, right this way.
Look at this. This is not a mere bathroom remodel, is it?
No.
Big, beautiful shower, couple of sinks, big tub, and a spot for something.
Hopefully a toilet.
Okay. Well, that's what the toilet is, but you know, when you talked about bidets, with bidets, it was always the case that you had the toilet and you would have the bidet close to it, next to it.
Okay.
That needed separate plumbing to both. They fell out of favor, and what we see now in the United States is always these seats that can go on top of an existing toilet. But what they've done recently is they've come out with a unit that combines a conventional bidet and a toilet together into one fixture.
Oh, yeah,
So now
that's
it
what
could
I saw
Okay.
in Europe.
Good, so that could go right here. So there's a couple of rules we have to make sure we have to follow. One is it has to be a standard rough-in off the wall, and that is 12 inches, which is exactly what a standard toilet has. You do need the water to be in the right location for this unit because it's a little different than a standard toilet. And you need to have electrical. So somebody was thinking ahead here, your contractor.
Yeah, well, you know, we weren't sure what we wanted really
Okay.
here or what could fit actually.
Well, I think you would be well served by having a unit that was a combination unit. Would you mind if I go shopping for one of these units?
I'd love that.
Okay, I'll be back. So Mary Ellen, here is your brand new combination bidet and toilet. What do you think?
I love it. It's so nice and sleek and trim.
Smooth on the front, so it looks like it belongs next to this beautiful tub of yours.
Yeah, I didn't
It's got
even
all
notice.
kinds of features I'll show you once it's hooked up, but one thing is that it's got a bidet wand that'll stick out right here that comes right out of the unit. We've got some connections to make in the back. We've got 2 water hoses, one for the bidet, one for the toilet flush, and the electrical connection. But the installation itself is much like connecting a toilet to a flange. So this unit actually comes as a kit, and that includes a template. Now the template's pretty handy. You would put it over the existing flange and line up where the bolts are, and that lets you double check that the water is roughed in correctly. It has to be outside of that footprint, so in this case we're fine. It also comes with closet bolts. These are special bronze or stainless steel bolts that will key right onto the flange right here, and that'll allow you to attach the toilet down to this closet flange right here. It also comes with a wax seal. It also has a special T-fitting, you can see right here, that'll allow the larger size hose to connect right here for the toilet and the smaller one for the bidet. And this is designed to install onto the top of any conventional plumbing supply connection right here. And that goes together pretty easy as a kit. You don't want to over tighten these bolts. You want to go hand tighten, then another quarter to half turn, and then cover it up. All right, Mary Ellen, here is your new baby. It's all hooked up.
Wow, it's amazing.
You get to do the first test drive. Oh, hello. So obviously the seat goes up.
Yep, wow.
Now,
Okay,
simply hit that to flush. Yep, that's that.
okay.
Isn't it cool? You're going to be busy.
Yes.
Hit stop. Now you hit the dry, and it'll dry some warm air.
Okay,
The bidet function. So now hit the bidet function. Now
okay.
it won't have the bidet come on unless, so hit the bidet function, either one of them. You have to be seated. So when I do that,
Yep,
okay, so here comes the wand.
all right.
Now I'm going to block it so it doesn't spray. Okay, hit the stop button.
Okey-doke.
Okay. What else you got? Oh, look at the back.
Oh, more functions.
More buttons. And so now you can set the temperature of the water. You can set the temperature of the seat
Okay,
in the winter. And you can set the temperature of the air.
okay,
You can also change how strong the bidet is.
okay.
And you know what you're going to also get a kick out of?
What?
You can flush the toilet this.
Wow.
You can close the lid. You're done.
That's great, Richard.
Enjoy.
My gosh, thank you.
Enjoy. It's a perfect complement to this beautiful bathroom.
Oh, thank you, Richard.
Thanks.
This was awesome.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.